I've bid a hour, and I've speak to a lot of folk and listen to a lot of folk, and that's what I'm trying to do with your news is to screeve for Scots speakers, nae just Scots enthusiasts. Again, I don't want when it's our truth and you just can't understand it and can't read it. History words that folk use, or folk eat, or again, mere Doric words that are being East, words that are in East, are getting, that folk speak. Nae just words like as like byleid. I might include, a lot of folk said they wanted to see that, but byleid to me, I don't none of my friends say it. None of my friends say byleid, so I just doesn't feel right. I'm screaming for my friends, my family, all the other folk that speak Scots. So that's just what I'm trying to do with it. But I want the feedback about it, and that's what I've been speaking about the whole while on. So the first time I was in the papers about what I'm dealing with oorNews and try to develop AI for Scots translation, it was in the P&J, so the Press and Journal, and this paper is actually my inspirations. So again, P&J they've had a Doric corner in the P&J for a long time. Can't mind off the top of my head just now how long they've had it. But Robbie Shepherd was his aim was doing it for a long time, and he was a real inspiration for me. And my family I really liked it. I mind my nana saving up P&G Doric corners to give to me, so I could read them. So like it was an awful good thing to do. It inspired me. Doric could be serious. It could be in newspapers. It's not just for poetry. Because that was one of the things when I was a parent. I loved poetry, and I was into acting and doing that sort of thing. And so I got awards reading out poetry for the some Burns recitals and that sort of thing. But I'm an engineer, so I'm just more interested in just really for Doric just to be taken more seriously. But the Doric Corner article, so it was by a lad cried Colin Wilson. He's another one of my inspirations. He's got a YouTube channel cried Anything and Nothing. It's absolutely amazing. Go and have a look at that. It's got a braid Doric or braid Scots content, and it's about things that are serious, and he's brilliant. His Scots is fantastic. Second to none, or second to none. Rather, again, as I say, I speak English now, and like everybody from Scotland, you end up flitting between the two. But anyway, and he was pointing out at the start, there's challenges with trying for translation, with the word wall and wheel. Say the English word well, in some cases will translate to wheel, in some cases to wall, depending if it is, because there's more than the a meaning to the word well in English, and that's what AI can actually do.